Hey guys, so I'm going to try to do this video as much as I can with a straight face. Got your attention though, right? So a lot of you have been asking me what I drink in the morning as I'm intermittent fasting to give me the energy to last up until 12, 1 or 2 o'clock every day without eating. Now, why I do this is because I don't believe that us humans are meant to be made for 3 meals a day. I don't believe that, because I was gaining weight all the years of my life as I kept doing that. And another thing, it really made me spoiled as a person, just to know that food is right there and I can eat it at any time. When I fast every day, it just resets my body, resets my energy level, and then I just kick butt after, or through. So I don't eat so I stop eating like at 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night. First thing in the morning, I'll probably have some black coffee or some heavy whipping cream, believe it or not, poured into it just a little bit. And that has no carbs, no sugar, but it tastes real good. The other thing is I mix this drink up, and this is water. So go down to like your local outdoor store where they sell camping gear, hiking gear, and stuff like that. Get yourself a Nalgene. I like the big ones here. So this is a 48 ounce. I fill it all the way to the top with water. Next thing I put in is, here you go, apple cider vinegar. I put in about 1/8 of a cup of this. So Google the health benefits of apple cider vinegar and you're gonna see, man, it's just really cool stuff. I've been using this for like the past 6 months, and it cleanses out your body and it helps you burn fat even faster too. All right, the next thing I put in is 1/2 of a lemon. I squeeze that in there. Next thing is pink Himalayan salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then lastly, cream of tartar. Now this is not a cream, it's actually an odorless, tasteless powder, but it's potassium, 100% potassium. And our bodies need potassium, and that's one of the reasons why people fail at fasting. That's why I failed the first couple months, is because all I drank was water. And it was like, oh, I feel so lightheaded and dizzy, I better eat. And then I'd feel better. But once I started this drink, replacing my electrolytes and the potassium with the salt, okay, and the apple cider vinegar, and to make it taste good, and also the health benefits of just these alone, lemons, is really, really cool. So anyway, that's what I do, that's what I drink, and anytime that I feel like I'm, that you're hungry and you're just like, oh my God, I gotta eat, I just drink this. And then, like right now, I think it's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not even hungry. And everybody says, oh, you should go eat lunch, it's 12 o'clock. No, I don't feel like eating, so I probably won't be eating until about 1 or 2 o'clock today, okay? Listen to your body. Anyway, if you want lots of energy and passion and drive, you've got to be taking care of yourself every single day. So I'm gonna go swim. See you guys.